All right, here we are inside of the responsive site editor. We are going to go through the menu options here on a basic overview. We're not going to go too far in depth on this until we get further into the design options throughout the course. But from here, you can see all the different options available on the top bar. Starting with the pages, you can choose which page you want to look at, or you can select from the menu if you have that available on the screen. You can also go into tablet mode or mobile to preview it on all devices. You can search the editor. You can search for actions, results for anything, and help articles. You can access information and tools that will help you build your website, such as stats, editor language, preview link. This will show you that you're currently up to date and saved. It will automatically save as changes are made. You can access the HTML and CSS, which is a little bit more in depth for development. Okay, so if you want to make some changes, you can come in and you can do that. If you want to preview what your site looks like, you click the preview button. You can select through all of your different sizes. And then when you're ready to publish the changes you've made, you go ahead and click the button that says Republish. From here, you can get access to the Help Center. You can also go home back to the dashboard. And then you also have all these menu options on the left that are going to help you customize your site, starting with the design, the overall look and feel of the site, including global text, global buttons, global images, text, buttons, images. They all have their options. Rows, columns go up and down, rows go sideways. Site background, you can choose what your site background is if you want to make one solid throughout the whole entire website. You can choose your site layout, etc. Very user friendly. Let's go to pages. You can create new pages. You can create new pop-ups for your pages. You can select widgets to put onto your page. For instance, you can click and drag. It's that simple. But let's delete that. Content, you can add information that you have saved in your profile. So for instance, you can pull your business information that you have saved. You can add it. You can also add images, any collections you may make. And a collection can be anything that you want to put into it. Google Sheets. We have access to integrations to Airtable. You put an image collection, just collections of what you want your team to have access to if you have a team of people who are going to be managing on this website. Content is where you're going to be able to, personalize is where you're going to be able to personalize your website by creating rules, right? So you can make a pop-up, notification bar, first-time visitor, you do a returning visitor pop-up, whatever you want to do, off hours, visit us when you're around, give us a call. There's a lot of stuff in here to help you personalize your website and make it function the way you want. E-commerce, you can integrate with Square and a few other providers. That will give you the ability to create a store. Okay, we don't have that functionality here. They're selling insurance policies, so we don't have a store, but that will be reviewed later. You can create a blog. And start blogging immediately. They have pre-published posts, so you have an idea of what to make. And then there are apps within the App Store, which what we have so far are integrations with Visita and AudioEye, which you will probably see more integrations as time goes on. Meaning you'll probably be seeing more options than what I have here. But Visita is a CRM, customer relationship manager marketing app. and it's directly integrated with your website, which is all these buttons here that you see, as well as this little pop-up at the bottom. And then Audio Eye is a disability app that allows people who have a disability to more easily explore your website and get information that they need. Okay, so that's the basic overview of the backend website editor. It's point and click, drag and drop. It's very user friendly, so you shouldn't have any issues with getting your website up and going. But if you do have any questions, reach out. I would be happy to answer them for you. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next topic.